Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Magical Love Healer. Today I am going to tell you a very fast love spell in which you don't need to do anything wrong in nature, or you can do only get your love life in a good way of track. Okay, so now I would like to welcome you all. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so that we can provide you good content for love spell. Today I am going to tell you a very l- good kind of love spell in which you can make any man or any woman in your control. By doing this, you can make her so much mad in your love so that he or she cannot able to leave you. Nothing without you. He or she will nothing about you without you, okay? And will able to always in your thought, like in his or her mind, you will be always in their mind. So now I'm going to tell you a very quick trick in such a simple way that you will be understand it, and you will be easy to do this trick. For this you need red sandalwood powder, some piece of rice, and white paper or black pen. You just need these things. First of all, what you need to do, you need to write this spell or mantra. The spell is Om Chamundai and Vashya name of the person, Kuru Kuru Swaha. Just simple thing. Now I'm going to tell you a very important thing. You just need to write this mantra, no need to do anything. Here you are saying that name. Which name we need to write here? You should only write that person name for you are doing. Like I am doing this for Soumya. If my girlfriend is Soumya, so I am doing for Soumya. Okay, this is the Soumya. So here you write Soumya. What is the next part? Now next part is very simple. Now you should need to mix them, okay, in a such a way so that both can be mixed. Everything you should need to mix it. Name, mantra, rice, everything. Okay. And one thing more, please do this for only good intention. So many messages, so many comments I got in my personal number. Guruji, we are do this part with only wrong attention, but now that person is not leaving me. He or she is not wanted to be leave me, always with me, all the night, all the day, all the every time. So please do it for only good work, good intention. So here you can see everything is going to mix it in a very well. So now you just need to fold this in such a way so that in this way you can fold it. As you see that I folded this paper in a such a way. The time you can do this anytime, any day. But the thing is, now what you need to do with this piece of paper. I would like to suggest you can do this in the evening, so that whenever you are going to sleep, you should need to keep this under your pillow. Whenever 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, whenever you are going to sleep, you should need to keep this under your pillow. You should need to that girl or boy keep that girl or boy in your mind, okay, in your mind, and take name of that person for 11 times. Or if you have photo, then you can take name while watching the photo. So while watching the photo you can take 11 times. If you don't have, then only you can take his or her name, okay, and put this in under your pillow. So now you will get a dream about this, that person is coming towards you, and you can see in the morning that person will be try to contact you or finding your friend for making contact with you. So this is the trick I told you. So you can do this, where whatever the result you got by doing this, you can message us, okay. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so that we can make a good content or good